Listen in to what Arvind Kejriwal said. As far as he's concerned, he's thrown out an open challenge to Kiran Bedi, saying that the people of Delhi are still quite unsure about where she stands on a variety of issues. So what he's proposed is now an open debate between the three main candidates in the fray as far as the faces of the various parties are concerned: Ajay Maken, Kiran Bedi and Arvind Kejriwal. Listen in to how he threw that challenge.
किरण जी को बधाई देता हूं। उनको भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने अपना सीएम कैंडिडेट घोषित किया है और मैं उनसे अपील करता हूं कि ये जनतंत्र के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी पहल होगी अगर दोनों के बीच में एक डिबेट हो, अलग अलग मुद्दों के ऊपर हो, दोनों कैंडिडेट्स के बीच में मुद्दों पे डिबेट हो, घंटे 2 घंटे डिबेट चले, सारे टीवी चैनलों पे दिखाई देगा, लोग अपना मन बना सकेंगे।
लेकिन आप क्या कहेंगे किरण बेदी ने कहा कि असेंबली में जाकर के अब वो डिबेट
विधानसभा में आपकी बात का
असेंबली में तो चुनाव के बाद होगा। चुनाव के पहले जनता व्यूज जानना चाहती है ना, कैसे इन्फॉर्म्ड चॉइस करना चाहती है जनता।
Debate versus delivery challenge in front of you now.
Absolutely, and I've been delivering for 40 years, and this is my expertise. My strength is delivery. My strength is implementation. My strength is follow-up. My strength is constant listening to people and innovating. Innovation is my experience.
Arvind Kejriwal says that now in the national capital, it is a competition between the good and the bad. Him being the good and the BJP being the bad.
This is exactly the negativity I don't practice. For me, it's new politics. Politics of development. Politics of growth. Politics of inclusiveness. Politics of listening. And also respect.
Arvind Kejriwal, your former colleague and Aam Aadmi Party leader, will be lashing out at you, will be making political jibes at you. Were you aware of that? Were you prepared for it?
That's all he knows. That's all that he knows. And I've watched him not now, but last 4 years. That's all the language he knows so far. And he's still not changed, unfortunately.
So it's development versus debate this time in the national capital. Will we see national capital having a fierce election this time as compared to last year?
Well, I think we've got 2 weeks to go. Lots of breaking news for you.
Accepting the challenge to join a debate, what sort of a debate do you want?
Well, I want a structured debate. Any channel which is mutually acceptable to all three of us, let the debate be held in that channel by a moderator who is acceptable to all three of us. Let there be 4 or 5 set of senior journalists who are acceptable to all three of us. It should be structured. All three of us should be asked to present our vision for 5, 7, 10 minutes each, whatever is decided. Then let the questions be asked by the neutral journalists. Then the third part can be asking questions from each other. Two questions each person should be allowed to ask from both of them. So let there be a structured debate which should be telecast live, repeatedly telecast, and let people of Delhi decide on the basis of vision, on the basis of performance, on the basis of what everyone has to offer.
So the Congress accepting the challenge that was thrown out by Arvind Kejriwal, saying that on a mutually acceptable platform, in a more neutral atmosphere, they are open to a debate. Kiran Bedi came back by saying that if Arvind Kejriwal really wants a debate, he should be willing to debate her inside the Delhi Assembly. BJP even going on to mock Arvind Kejriwal, saying that now it's a battle between the Iron Lady, that's Kiran Bedi, to the Run Man, which is Arvind Kejriwal, trying to pun on the word run. Listen in.
I am the defender of democracy. I'm an administrator. So what relation is between an administrator and an anarchist? And that is the reason as to why Mr. Kejriwal was blacked then. If Mr. Kejriwal wanted to resume the relationship, he should have approached Ms. Bedi then. Why today? Today, only because of the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party resorts only to drama. This battle in Delhi is between an iron lady and a run man, I-R-U-N, run man. A man who has constantly been on run, from chief minister to prime minister, from prime minister to chief minister.